How to copy YouTube video link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy a YouTube video link on mobile. This is super helpful when you want to share a video with someone or save the link for later. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are on the home page of YouTube, you need to find the video that you want to copy the link for. To do that, you can simply use the search icon shown in the upper right corner of the screen, or you can simply search for the video on the home page. And once you have found and opened the video, you will see several options below the video. So simply tap on the share button, which is located next to the dislike button. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on the option labeled copy link. And after tapping on that, you have successfully copied the YouTube video link. And that's it. That's how you can copy YouTube video link. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.